As the urban population grows, traffic is heavy, and public areas such as parking lots are packed. What solutions do you think can address such a problem? Scientists have been debating the impact of nature and nurture on people's personalities and behavior. Which one do you think has a greater influence? Some people claim that competition improves the quality of our private and professional lives. Others believe that hyper-competition is bad for society in general. What is your opinion? As dealing with money is an important skill, all children should be taught financial management at school. Do you agree with it or not? There is a current trend of paying teachers for students' achievements. Some people agree that it is an incentive for teachers to link students' achievements to teachers' salaries, while others disagree. What is your opinion? Some people say the older are unsuitable to take part in some activities. Please give an example of the activities and give the maximum age for it. Exercise is essential for health, and exercise in the workplace makes employees less absent from work. All employers should provide exercise facilities in the workplace. What is your opinion? Some people feel that success lies in achieving professional and economic targets, while others say that success lies in spending quality time with family and friends. What is your opinion? Some believe the value of travel is overrated. Some talented people know things across the world. Without travel, people argue whether travel is or not a necessary part of education. To what extent? Do you agree with it? While artificial intelligence has advanced, people can use computers to translate foreign languages. That makes learning a foreign language unnecessary. Do you agree with it? Give examples or your experiences to support. Living in the countryside or living in cities, which one do you prefer? Please use examples or your personal experience to support your opinion. What are the advantages and the disadvantages of being overcompetitive to individuals and society? Advanced technology such as artificial intelligence can translate a foreign language easily. Do you think learning a foreign language is still necessary? Support your point of view with your own experience. Should there be a maximum wage for highly paid people? Is it good or bad? It is harder for children to live in the 21st century than those in the past. How far do you agree with this statement? Give your opinions. More and more countries spend large amounts of money on the restoration of buildings instead of on modern housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this analysis? Support your writing with your experience or examples. Some people think learning a foreign language at school should be compulsory. Do you agree with it? Use your experience or examples to support your viewpoint. More and more women are raising a family with a career. Some people believe this is a challenge for women. Please give your opinions and suggestions about this challenge on a personal level and a national level. Unemployment among young people is a serious problem. One solution that has been suggested is to shorten the working week. What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages? Do you think this policy should apply to just young workers or the whole workforce? People who are famous entertainers or sports people should give up the right to privacy because this is the price of fame. To what extent do you agree/disagree with this point of view? Give your opinion with your experiences. In the future, people will work less hours at their jobs. To what extent do you agree with it? Please support your opinion with your own experience. Television serves many useful functions. It helps people to relax. Besides, it can also be seen as a companion for lonely people. To what extent do you agree with this? Explain it with your own experience. In our technological world, the number of new inventions has been evolving on a daily basis. Please describe a new invention and determine whether it will bring advantages or disadvantages. Nowadays, more and more people engage in dangerous activities, such as skydiving, skiing, and extreme motorcycling. Are you in favor of such activities or not? Why? For less developed countries, the disadvantages of tourism are as great as the advantages. What is your opinion?